for that. I think so. It's a very beautiful blend that you brought together. I really want to make this very interactive, right? So, and I know in the whole virtual scheme of things, we can keep talking, and the multiple students who've joined us all across will feel just as one-sided communication. So, if you all can use the chat window, which is active for you, I'm going to ask you a very, very elementary question, which is going back to school, which is about looking at what is the four-letter word that connects two dots. What is the four-letter word that connects two dots? Everyone in the chat, if you can go onto the chat and tell me, what's the four-letter word that connects two dots? You guys have access to the chat? I hope they do.
Sahil, they have access to the Q&A. I think they're putting in their responses on the Q&A tab.
Okay, lovely. Okay, they don't have access to that. Okay, so I have Ishika writing, Sushmita writing, Sindhu writing, Mahima, Trisha, fantastic. Okay, everyone's got it right. Pooja and Nagaraj, I wonder why you have a question mark after that, but the answer's right. It's a line, okay? So a line connects two dots, and now you have a choice, like I mentioned earlier on. You can either draw a line and stay within it as a boundary, or you can draw that line and cross that line saying, this is the place I want to cross. Going back to exactly what Ritika said, which was so powerful, to see what is it that is working today? What are the jobs available today? What are the essential services where people are hiring? That is one choice you have, right? And you can say, okay, this is an avenue or a playground that I can play in. The second choice you have is to say, listen, this is only myopic. This is 6 months, this is 1 year. But what is it that is going to come up and hit us 2 years later, 1.5 years later? And if you can predict that or get your fingers on that and build your skill set so that you actually command the premium by the time you pass out, that is brilliance, according to me. That is actually saying, just imagine, very, very simple example. People knew lockdown 1, lockdown 2, lockdown 3, lockdown 4. People who studied the whole world knew unlock will happen. Sometime or the other, unlock will happen. What did some masterminds do? They went and bought IRCT shares. And that stock price went up and hit the circuit not once, hit the circuit twice. And people made crazy amount of money on that stock. If individuals are brands and each one of you on this webinar is a brand, how do you identify what are those lovely white spaces that you can enter in and command a premium? I've been hearing this for a very, very long time saying, oh, but I haven't passed out from an IIM, but I'm not from an IIT, but I can't command a premium, but I will get only what colleges come to my campus. Now with COVID, colleges will also not come on campus. You can think of all of that on one side. On the other hand, you can say, I'm going to build this, as Ritika mentioned, couple of the skills, couple of the job roles. And as I build that, I'm going to network with people on LinkedIn or other forums and put across my candidature. And believe you me, even if there are no roles, over a period of time, roles will open up for niche skills. The question is, do you have those skills? Let me give you one classic example to make it tangible for you and not sound very Gyanish. This was around 9 months back, 2009, late 2019. A friend of mine was looking for a data scientist who actually had done a lot of work on actuarial sciences in the insurance space and around mortality, and great amount of deep design thinking, because that whole space needed to be re-looked at significantly, and that person was not willing to, wasn't able to find anyone. And he said, Sahil, I'm looking out, I'm willing to pay a premium on this particular skill set, but it's just not available. So now can you really figure out what is it that is happening in the world? What do you think will be a need? Where will organizations be willing to invest? And thereby, through your process of networking, connecting with people, build those skills.